A quick tip how to speed up node-based workflow. Make sure your Node Wrangle add-on is enabled. Just go here. Check the box here. Now if you click on Node and press Alt and Up button on the keyboard, it will cycle through all available blend modes or math operations. Alt right mouse button to increase factor by 0.1. Alt left mouse button to decrease it by 0.1. If you want to change factor more precisely, additionally press Shift button on the keyboard to increase or decrease by 0.01. Thank you for watching. See you.